What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catamize. Got a pair of Phoenix Suns 8s that's been brought to me. Orange, blue, and gray. Pretty much they just want me to black them out. Got that suede coming off on the toe box. So just gonna paint these all black, all the way out. No blue, no orange, no gray. Just black them out. Make them look good. I think they'll look pretty good like that. Paint that black as well. Got a little paint chipping coming off right here on the outside. Paint this all black inside. A little bit of paint chipping. But it don't matter because it's all gonna get painted black. They're gonna be blacked out. So stay tuned. I'll be back with the finished product. Blackout Jordan 8s. Jordan Phoenix Suns 8s, customized, all black. Painted the logo. The toe box, of course, the suede is missing, so there's not really much I can do about that. Painted the midsole all black. The hard plastic part back. I think they came out pretty good. Right here, the back piece, I dyed that suede. All the way around. Dye suede, dye suede, dye suede. Painted black. This was gray, orange, and blue. Came out pretty good. Phoenix Suns 8 blacked out. Other shoe. And then the tongue was orange. I painted that black as well. So yeah, finished product, blacked out, blacked out, blacked out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.